Nathan had been sitting in his car for a few minutes when he suddenly noticed a tree falling over in the parking lot. He threw his car in drive and escaped just as it came crashing down.
I thought my car was gonna die.
The huge tree smashed a gray Hyundai as well as a new Subaru, which the student owner had only purchased last year. Unfortunately, only Nathan's rear camera was running when the tree fell, but Nathan says it was very scary to witness a tree fall in person from so close. It's safe to say he's now scared to park in his dorm's parking lot. The campus police were called right away. Nathan doesn't know if the owners filed insurance claims or not. A day later, the Subaru was gone, but the gray Hyundai is still sitting in the same spot, completely totaled.